BERNINA 335 and 325. Our video tutorial explains bobbin winding and threading. Unwind the cable of the foot control to the desired length. Insert the plug on the back of the machine. Easily change the presser foot sole. Remove the snap-on shank by pressing the clamping lever up and pulling the shank downwards. Attach the snap-on shank and optional presser feet by pressing the clamping lever down. When threading, it is important to ensure that the presser foot is raised and that the needle has been inserted upwards as far as it will go. To ensure that the needle is at the correct height, the needle position button up-down can be pressed twice. 2 spool holders are available, one horizontal and one vertical. The vertical thread spool holder is pulled out of the holder, turned over and inserted again. For both spool holders, the foam pad must be attached first and then the thread spool. Our tip: use the thread net for specialty threads. Stabilize the spool with the appropriate spool disc so that there is no gap and the thread cannot get tangled anywhere. The tutorial contains helpful animations on various topics. Place the bobbin on the bobbin winder holder. Hold the thread taut. Pull it through the rear thread guide. Continue around the bobbin winder pretension, following the direction of the arrow, and wind it several times around the bobbin. Then switch on the bobbin winder. The bobbin winder motor will stop automatically when the bobbin is full. Grasp the latch of the bobbin case to remove it. Insert the bobbin so that the thread unwinds clockwise. Pull the thread into the slot. Then pull the thread under the spring into the opening. To insert the bobbin case, the finger points upwards. Insert it until you hear it clicks into place. Take the thread over the cutter and cut it. For threading the upper thread, hold the thread with both hands and guide it through the rear thread guide 1. Follow the numbered markings and guide the thread into the slit of the upper thread tension 2. Third, pull the thread down on the right of the thread take-up lever cover and up again on the left side. Thread the take-up lever 4 from right to left. Guide the thread downwards and at marking 5, place it in both thread guides above the presser foot. Push the needle threader lever halfway down and bring the thread from back left to front right around the grey guide. Push the lever fully down. This brings a tiny hook through the needle eye to catch the thread. Guide the thread through the needle threader slot to the right and to the rear until it is caught by the threader wire. Slowly release the needle threader so that the thread is pulled through the needle eye. Pull the thread over the thread cutter from the back and cut it.
BERNINA, made to create.